Hey everyone, it's Luke from Up here, and I've got a question for you. If there was just one thing that you would love for your student leaders to be able to do better in 2026 than they've ever done before, what would that one thing be? This one thing that would help elevate the work they're doing, the contribution and the service that they're making to your school. What would that one thing be? So I've had the opportunity to speak with lots of deputy principals, student leadership coordinators about this over the last 10 years. And I hear the same sorts of things that keep cropping up for them. And I'm interested to know what other factors, what other skills would you love your students to have? Like, we know that these kids they're awesome kids. They're lovely kids, respectful, they're kind, they're contributors, they participate in everything, they tend to be good at everything, they set an example. How can we help them for their contribution? What thing would we love them to be able to do? Typically what I hear is that we'd love for them to be better at getting their ideas into action. So going from brainstorming, hey, we could do this, or I'd love to be able to do this, or wouldn't this be nice, to working through a plan that said, hey, here's how we get this idea into action and make it happen. That's one thing. The other thing is trying to help the students to unify, the group of leaders to unify around a shared vision. In particular, answering the question, what do we stand for? What do we really stand for? And what would annoy us if it didn't happen? You know, if we didn't stand for this, it would annoy us a little bit because we really care about this. We want to be remembered for this. These are our shared values as a leadership group, so that all the work we're doing actually can contribute to those shared values and the shared vision of this is what we stand for. Rather than just all it being piecemeal and we all do our own separate things. The third thing is helping them to communicate, to do public speaking that inspires action and is clear and informative and helps their audience understand what their next steps are and how they can get on board and to support that. Helping them use their verbals and their non-verbals in a way that can really support what they're trying to say rather than get in the way of what they're trying to say. So they're the three big things that I've heard from the people looking after student leadership in school. But I'm interested to know, what do you think for your school, what would be the biggest skill or the biggest point that you would love your student leaders to be able to do better in 2026 than they've been able to do before? Just let us know.